Forest Environment and Climate Change के Principal Secretary Arun Kumar Sinha na अखोई अकोइबदा लेरिबा environment ising pat turel sing asibu tongi mirol ki damak kanba madi ngak sen basangi haina phongdokre Directorate of Environment and Climate Change ki kumjalisini kuntar ki calendar form ki thalnoa form si phongdokki bani Forum patalaiba Directorate suda calendar form batu kamari lain na Principal Secretary asina Manipur ngak na so ban tawkraba single use plastic abadi half liter plastic bottle makhata na yon dabagi thabak changsile masida khudong sa da bakhardi adumak thengnari adubu khongthang ase continuous process soibana miyam na wakal tahanba masangi masing mathakta half liter plastic bottle thingnaba package drinking water manufacturing plant singda pressure tawdana makhoi oiba tokai policy semba abadi sinadraba plastic bottle amuk hanna collect tawna ba khanghan ba laikre haina su phongdokhi tarabada Directorate asigi Director Dr. T. Kumar Yauna, Director Asigi Makok Tombo official and staff sing Saruyaki.
Drawing of spring shed is an issue because it is really threatening the water sources and water. It may create water scarcity in the hills. Our river, you can see, now just Jan only, and we can see how bad the Imphal river has become. Yes, we have our plan to do the rejuvenation of this Imphal river also. We have started the work, but I don't think that is sufficient because what we are doing is in the town. But the other places where the mining is happening or the sand is being taken out, the pebbles are being taken out, I think we need to think about all these. So, as I said, it's our duty together to really do something that this beautiful environment is preserved, our water sources are conserved for the future generation, and we have enough forestation that whatever natural resources available, we are able to use them for our own livelihood or our own benefit. So as said, today we can all, unless pledge that we'll do whatever it takes to preserve our environment so that our future generation doesn't curse us that they have enjoyed everything and nothing is left for us.